Hello friends, my name is Rajendra Mahindra and today I am back with a small but interesting topic about understanding Cloud DNS services. Nowadays, many organizations are targeting to move their IT infrastructure from on-premises to cloud. While doing so, the administrators might think that public Cloud DNS services will take care of the IP to name resolution. Primarily, a Cloud DNS service appears to be a great option for simplifying the operations. A cloud provider can help you manage the complexity of the DNS in your subscribed environment and help you get rid of your on-premises hosted DNS services. But is it really that simple, particularly when you are opting for hybrid or multi-cloud model? Let's take a look at it. So let's first look at what is Cloud DNS. Traditionally, enterprises host their DNS either on-prem or within some hosting environment. Nowadays, some organizations also use software-based solutions to get centralized visibility. On the other hand, Cloud DNS is categorized as platform as a service. Specifically, private Cloud DNS provides DNS as a service for compute that runs on the public cloud infrastructure, but it is accessible from only private networks. Major public cloud providers like Google, Azure, and AWS have their DNS services named as Google Cloud DNS, Azure DNS, and Route 53 respectively. They claim these services to be highly available, global, and scalable. But nowadays, most enterprises go for a hybrid cloud approach wherein some applications and infrastructure are in the third-party public clouds, some are in the private clouds, and some remain on-premises. Administrators use orchestration tools to manage the workloads and balance between them all. Let's look at some benefits of the Cloud DNS. Automatic DNS orchestration is the first benefit. As compute gets provisioned and deprovisioned, DNS resources also do. The second benefit is one-click configuration. Cloud DNS makes it easy to configure DNS based on your routing preferences. The third benefit is load balancing for the applications with DNS. Public clouds provide direct integration of their DNS with other deployed components of an application. This automates the process of failover, load balancing, or geographically distributing clients across multiple application instances. Below are the drawbacks. Difficulty in connecting the resources beyond the cloud, which is by design. The clouds have different conflicting or missing mechanisms to utilize multiple DNS authorities via zone delegation, recursion, or forwarding. There is no name server interoperability for distributing zone data outside the cloud delivered service. Secondly, difficulty in connecting the resources beyond the tenant, which is also by design. Similar to the point above, the clouds have different conflicting and inadequate mechanisms to share DNS data across cloud tenants. The operational cost of maintenance sometimes goes high because of how cloud brings up complexity, and that's how issues which involve Cloud DNS can be difficult to investigate. The fourth one is lack of DNSSEC support. AWS only recently began supporting DNSSEC, but the others cloud providers still not. The fifth one is reliance on third party. With Cloud DNS, your network and enterprise applications are reliant on a third party for an essential network component, and when the provider goes down, the impact can be huge. To mitigate this, organizations need a hybrid cloud strategy that recognizes when Cloud DNS is not enough for a project, and in such cases, on-premises DNS must be extended into the cloud environment to fill the gaps. So to summarize, today we spoke about the basics as well as pros and cons of Cloud DNS services. I hope you like this video. See you later in my next video on similar topics. Happy learning.